Start with the polish up. Just polish that bit, look. Look at the shine. We're going to polish that bit in a minute. All done, look. Look at that. Between the window and the car, where the swallow was, it's now completely clear. Oh yeah. It's just the beginning. What bit have I done? Oh, might be that bit. How the sunroof comes out of an electric roofed Clio. Now you've got the sunroof attached in exactly the same way that the manual roof is. So all the manual roof videos are true up until you get to the electric motor. With the electric motor, you need to access those two bits there, and really the only way to do that is to remove the headlining at the front. Lower the roof down as far as there. So that involves taking out the handles, they're a bit of a bitch, taking out the sun blinds, take some, lowering it down gently, carefully, remove the door trims, and you can let the roof, the inner roof, the headliner as it were, just relax there whilst you attend to the sunroof. Here we are then. Remove the sunroof. The sunroof is now removed. The entire around the edge has been cleaned. The inside is soaking. That's why I've taken the headliner out to allow the entire thing to dry out. The inside of the car is soaked. Look at the headlining. There's the headlining. It's in really nice condition until you come to the front. You can see all that staining where the water has stained it, so that's got to be given a good clean. There's the sunroof itself, electric. It's all in good working order, it works perfectly. Got to make sure it doesn't leak. And then when that's done, we can put it all back together. Hi, this gives you a basic idea of what we're faced with the sunroof. Imagine if this is the roof of the car, this is the edge of the sunroof, the bit where the seal goes, and obviously the sunroof that goes into the car itself. We'll have a look at how we can allow it to seal. That bit there is where the seal has got to go, and there's got to be a good seal between the roof and the sunshine roof. That's what it'll probably look like. You'd stick the moulding on and it would stick there, and it would probably provide a bit of a seal, but it could easily be overcome. Here we've got the body moulding, but look, it's nice and wide, it's sticky both sides obviously, but look how thin it is, very thin. If you use the proper seal, it's a nice big fat bit of foam rubber which is designed to be stuck in there, and then when the roof is tied down to the body with the bolts, it will fill that gap and create an accurate seal. Here's what it looks like. Here's the Renault approved seal. This isn't a genuine Renault item, it's a pattern, but it's as good as. It's only sticky on one side, the side that sticks to the sunroof. It's nice and thick, which means that it will easily fill the gap and make it so much easier to get a seal. Compare the Renault one with body moulding. You can see what will happen. Feed the sunroof in, make sure it settles in exactly the right position, and then do up the internal bracketry. Once the bracketry is all tightened up, refit the head lining and all the trim, etc. Notice that at the moment I haven't fitted the sun blinds or the handles, because I've literally just put the sunroof back in and just put the head lining back up, but it's just a matter of reverse what you did to take it out. This car is nice and clean, tidy and dry. That's the main thing. I've taken the interior out of this car and given it a total going over.